Well, breaking news, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has held another round of talks with BJP leaders and the other allies, including Maharashtravadi Gomantak Party, to select the new chief minister. This is the second meeting, in fact, after a 6-hour-long marathon meeting that had taken place just only last night. It was attended by other BJP allies, including the Goa Forward Party as well. Interestingly, the Maharashtravadi Gomantak Party leader, Sudhin Dhavlekar, has also thrown in his hat. In fact, he has also proposed his name for the Chief Minister's post. But editor India Today, Sahil Joshi, is keeping a close track of these very hectic, important deliberations that are going on, headed by Nitin Gadkari, who was also believed to be extremely close to the deceased Chief Minister, Manohar Parrikar. Sahil, so tell us a little bit more. The last we heard was Mr. Sawant emerging as the front runner for the CM's post. What are you hearing from the allies? They were very, very clear that they only wanted Manohar Parrikar to the Chief Minister. That was one of the conditions they had played. But what are you hearing now on these meetings that are being held?
Avantika, before going to that, let me just show you the visuals where Manohar Parrikar, the outgoing chief minister who passed away yesterday, has reached to Lalit Kala Kendra, and Manohar Parrikar. On one hand, Manohar Parrikar, whose replacement is being found out, Nitin Gadkari is playing an important role in that. People have gathered here to pay their last respect, and the politics is still on. The politics from which he wanted to save Goa from, that is what is happening right now in Goa. Nitin Gadkari is holding talks with Goa Forward, the Maharashtravadi Gomantak Party, and independent MLAs so that it can be finalized on Pramod Sawant's name. Goa Forward has come up with a solution that someone from the BJP only should be the chief minister, and it cannot be the MGP, whereas the MGP's head, Sudhin Dhavlekar, he himself wanted to throw his hat in the chief minister's race, but it looked like that the BJP leadership wanted them to merge MGP into BJP, and only after that Sudhin Dhavlekar could be made the chief minister, for which the MGP wasn't ready. So, the tangle is still, it's not yet solved. Pramod Sawant's name has been pushed by RSS and the old pracharaks in the BJP. Also, it was said that Manohar Parrikar wanted Pramod Sawant to replace him.
The BJP responded to MGP leader Sudhin Dhavlekar placing this unequivocal demand to be made the chief minister.
It's not yet replied to them. Yesterday, when Sudhin Dhavlekar left the meeting after meeting Nitin Gadkari in early morning at around 4 o'clock, when I spoke to him, he only said that he has to go back to his party, get a resolution passed about certain demands made by the BJP, and only after that he can come back. It looks like that why the problem is that the Goa Forward chief Vijay Sardesai and MGP chief Sudhin Dhavlekar, they cannot meet eye to eye, and it was only Manohar Parrikar who could keep both of them together. And now, as there is no figure who can keep both these partners together, that is where the BJP is finding it difficult to find a replacement. The thing on the name on which the MGP agrees, the Goa Forward disagrees, and on the name on which Goa Forward agrees, the MGP disagrees. And at the same time, both the party chiefs have a secret ambition to replace Manohar Parrikar as the chief minister, for which BJP, it seems, is not ready unless and until both these parties are merged within the BJP, and that is where the tangle is sorted, and that is the reason why Nitin Gadkari is sitting there, despite this procession where Nitin Gadkari was supposed to be, to pay last respect to his beloved friend, but he is there to sort out the political tangle at this point of time in Goa.
Oh, absolutely. Very interesting developments in very unfortunate circumstances, actually.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.